you lost it. You lost it. You're funny. Can you wave? Can you say hi? Say hi. He's been doing this with Steven's slippers, with my shoes. Whoa, whoa. And he's down. Are you all right? I think you're okay. Get up. Stand back up. Good job. You better be careful with your new shoes.